This is Mahesh Kamath here, founder of MAK Trading School. In this video, I'll be talking about a candlestick pattern called shooting star. You must have heard this pattern name many a times. But friends, names of patterns are not important. It is important to understand the logic behind the formation. So shooting star is one of the potent reversal formations. So if you see this chart, this is NTPC chart on a daily time frame. And let me take my cursor to 12th of April. So if you see this candlestick over here, it has got a very big topping tail. Big tail at the top and a very small real body. So ideally a shooting star should have a big topping tail and a small real body. So the color of the shooting star can be red, can be green. If it is red, it is all the more potent because it indicates that the closing price was less than the opening price. So now let's understand the formation. What happened during this candlestick? So let's visualize. So this particular candlestick, if you see the high of this candle, that means that is the highest point that this candle had traded till. So let me just draw a formation. So at one point of the day, this particular candlestick was a solid green candle. But it is then the sellers took control and drove prices lower. So it is indicating a lot of selling pressure. Finally, it even managed to close it below the opening price where it is got a very small body. So this indicates that although this candle was a solid green candle at one point of time, the sellers managed to push price down and close it in the low of the range. So this is indicating a lot of selling pressure. So friends, we understood the psychology behind this formation and why it is indicating a lot of selling pressure. But friends, any candlestick pattern should not be traded in isolation. Most important is the location, whether the right candlestick is formed at the right location. So having a shooting star anywhere in the middle of the move is of no use. It should be formed at the right location. So what is the right location for a shooting star pattern? So if you have a shooting star formation at a supply level, let's look at one of the charts wherein you have this kind of a formation. It's Coromandel International and on a 75-minute chart. So if you see this was a supply level which was plotted by the supply demand zone indicator. So price is reacting to supply, and on the reaction it has formed a shooting star formation over here, which is marked here, shooting star candlestick at supply level. So this can be a confirmatory tool, right candlestick at the right location, indicating that now supply is taking over. So this could be used as a confirmation technique to go short at supply. So friends, once again, I would like to emphasize on the importance of the location. So just don't focus on the candlestick pattern in isolation. So friends, if you want to know more about supply demand zone trading, you can visit our website maktradingschool.com and also follow us on YouTube. A lot of content is being shared there on supply demand trading strategy. Thanks for watching, friends.